Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide honest and detailed reviews of the best products out there. In today's video, we're diving into what I believe is the best bag shoulder strap on the market, the MOSISO 56-inch shoulder strap. If you're in the market for a new, adjustable, and comfortable replacement strap for your laptop bag, messenger bag, or even your crossbody bag, stay tuned because this product might just be what you're looking for. First off, the MOSISO 56-inch shoulder strap is incredibly versatile. It's a universal replacement strap that works well with a variety of bags, including laptop shoulder bags, messenger bags, crossbody bags, and even outdoor sport bags. Whether you're a traveler, a student, or someone who carries a lot of gear, this strap can handle it all. The most notable feature of this shoulder strap is the comfort it provides. It's made with soft memory foam padding, which ensures you won't feel discomfort or pain even with heavier bags. The memory foam is designed to keep its shape, so you don't have to worry about it flattening quickly. And the best part? It's wide enough, 1.5 inches, to provide proper support, preventing any pressure points on your shoulder. Adjustability is another strong suit. The strap ranges from 31.5 inches to 56 inches in length, making it perfect for all body types and uses. Whether you're wearing it as a shoulder strap or prefer to carry your bag crossbody, you can easily adjust the length to your comfort level. This means it can fit people of various heights and body types, and it gives you flexibility depending on how you want to wear your bag. One thing that truly stands out is the durability. The MOSISO shoulder strap is lightweight, yet incredibly strong. You won't have to worry about it snapping or breaking easily, and the secure clips on both ends make it super easy to attach and detach from your bag. The metal swivel hooks are sturdy, allowing for smooth movement without the fear of them getting stuck or rusting over time. But comfort and durability aren't the only benefits. This strap also features a non-slip surface that keeps the strap in place on your shoulder, no matter how much you're moving around. Whether you're walking, commuting, or hiking, the strap stays put, ensuring that you don't have to adjust it constantly. The MOSISO shoulder strap is an excellent investment if you're looking for a practical and comfortable solution to carrying your bag. It's designed for long-term use and will make your daily commute or travel much easier, especially when carrying a heavy load. It's also stylish, with a sleek black design that matches nearly any bag. So, if you're ready to upgrade your bag's shoulder strap to something more comfortable, durable, and adjustable, the MOSISO 56-inch shoulder strap is definitely worth considering. Make sure to check it out in the description below for the latest deals and pricing. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.